My dear good students, ladies, gentlemen, my perfect students, my intelligent students, good day, good evening. Okay, we will try today to make a small revision for the third secondary in biology. Suppose biology, chemistry, physics, but we start simple things in biology. For example, we can say fungi can reproduce by the following methods except budding or binary fission. We can say binary fission, of course, reproduced by the binary fission. Another question important. Which of the following lymphocytes produce substance that rupture the cell membrane and in the immune response, the cell membrane of the carcinogenic cells in the immune response? Plasma B cells or cytotoxic T cells? Of course, that's the cytotoxic T cells. Very important, this question. Okay, we can try to ask a question, important question. One of the runners had participated in a race without drinking an enough amount of water. So the pituitary gland secreted hormone that is called, that is carried by the blood of the two kidneys. What's the name of this hormone? What's the main name? We can say that's antidiuretic hormone ADH, very important. ADH, the pituitary gland secreted hormone, it carried by the blood to the two kidneys, the ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Another question important, what's the effect of this hormone on the two kidneys? And how does this affect the formation of urine? We can say the ADH works on the reabsorption of water from the two kidneys, nephrons, and also works on the decreasing amount of urine and increasing its concentration. That's very, very important question. It works on the two kidneys, nephrons, the absorption of water from the two kidneys, and also decreasing the amount of urine and increasing its concentration. Another question, important. Half of the number of the chromosomes of a cell in the stigma of a bean plant flower. The number of chromosomes in the male nucleus of the same plant equals to what? 2x or 3x or 2x. Of course, my good and intelligent pupils, that's 2x. The half of the number of the chromosomes of cell equals to 2x in the male nucleus of the same plant. To produce insulin protein from a bacterial cell, a part of is added to the bacterial cell. The insulin protein from a bacterial cell, a part of insulin gene is added to the bacterial cell. Which of the following organisms produce ova with a limited numbers? Tilapia fish, frog, or whale? I will repeat again. Of the following organisms produce ova with a limited numbers? We can say whale, of course. That's very well known, the whale. Okay, what's of the following glands in an immune gland with interior secretion? The following glands of an immune gland, interior secretion: sweat gland or thymus gland? Of course, it's thymus gland, of course. Okay, we can try to see another important questions. 16 types of amino acids share in the building up of a polypeptides that consist of 250 amino acids. The number of the nitrogenous bases that are found in the mRNA, not DNA, RNA, is what? 750 or 753 or 1500, 16 types of amino acids. We can say 753, of course, not 1500. 753 because that consists of 250 amino acids. So mRNA is 753. I want to before I will end this, I want to say something important also. The cortex and the medulla of the adrenal gland are similar in what? Nature of hormones or type of the hormone transporting medium. The cortex and the medulla of the adrenal gland. Type of the hormone transporting medium, of course, not the nature of hormones. We can say also the blood osmosis increases, therefore this stimulates the hormones of the body, which increases or decreases the concentration of urine, the amount of urine. So we can say when the blood osmosis increases, therefore this stimulates the hormones in the body, which increases the concentration of urine and decreases the amount of urine. So increase the concentration and decrease the amount of urine. I want to say something also very important. We can say also, for example, something before I end. The malaria, the last question. In the first cycle of malaria plasmodium, the infecting phase of both the female mosquito and the human female are similar to its formation or its chromosomal number. Of course, that's its chromosomal number. So the mosquito and the human female are similar in its chromosomal number in the case in the life cycle of malaria plasmodium. Okay, enough like this today. Another part by God's will. God bless. Good evening. Bye. Bye. Thank you so much.